Hi and happy holidays. My name is Megan Smith. I'm a registered dietitian, and here with me tonight is Good Samaritan Hospital's head chef, John Vaith.
To start with, we're going to make an appetizer of U10 scallops with a citrus gremolata sauce and sauteed linguini made with yellow and green zucchini. We're going to make a citrus gremolata, and this is something you can make ahead. You can refrigerate it. It is served cold, and it's very simple to make. What you're going to need is fresh herbs. We picked cilantro and parsley. You could use other herbs. Almonds. We have a little bit of garlic, orange zest, and add that to it. A little balsamic vinegar and some olive oil. That's our gremolata. That's all that's necessary. That's the sauce, very simple.
We're pairing the scallops with the julienne cut zucchini and yellow squash, and that's your serving of vegetables, which you don't often find in an appetizer, especially for a holiday meal. Using the julienne or spiralized squash in lieu of pasta for this appetizer will give you about 1/5 of the total calories and the carbohydrates versus using regular pasta.
When I'm just about ready to take it off, I'm going to throw fresh herbs. Fresh herbs don't need a lot of cooking. You know, you just want to release some of the oils in the herb. And what we want to do is we want to put this on the side and keep that ready for plating.
The scallops have omega-3 fatty acids, which is your heart-healthy fat, pretty much carb-free. Another benefit of scallops is that they are high in magnesium, which is something that will help relax your blood vessels, is really good for your blood pressure and to improve circulation.
We have our scallops. I have some butter. We have some oil, and we have a little bit of salt. And the trick to this, probably the most important part, we want to get our pan pretty hot. It's better in Teflon so they don't stick real easy. What we want to do is get our oil going, season the scallops. You don't want to put too many in a pan at once because it cools down the pan and you don't get that nice caramelization we want. So as you can see right here, the scallops are already starting to color, and if you look, they're nice and caramelized. So at that point, we're going to flip them. And then what we're going to do is just, it's an old French way of cooking scallops. We're going to baste them, but we're going to baste them with a little butter. And it's at this point, we take some butter, we put it in there, and then once we tip our plate a little bit, and then we just start basting the scallops, and they'll continue to cook, continue to caramelize, but that brown butter gives them a great flavor. Okay, so next we're going to plate. We're going to put down a little nest. Since it is an app, it doesn't have to be too big. Then what we want to do is put down 2 scallops. We're going to bed them right on top. Now, what I said before is we can take our orange here. We're going to take the skin off, and then we're going to go in between the sections and just get a couple of sections for our plate to garnish it. It just has a better aesthetic look to it. And then what we want to do is we want to take our gremolata sauce. And that is our pan-seared scallops with a little nest of linguini, some orange sections, and a citrus gremolata.